Many people find it difficult to access their YouTube Studio desktop site. Now, as a creator, okay, you need to know how to access your YouTube Studio desktop site because this is where you do most of the settings. Now, these settings is not what you're going to find in your YouTube app. Remember that the YouTube app is different from the YouTube Studio, and the YouTube Studio is actually different from the YouTube desktop site. Now, for those that are using mobile phones, there is a different way you access your YouTube Studio desktop site, and you can only do that through your browser. But for those with like the laptop or the PC, it's very easier for them to access it. But this video is targeted at those who want to use their mobile phones to access their YouTube Studio desktop site. There are a lot of settings you would find there that you won't find on the YouTube app or find in the YouTube Studio. So this is a tutorial step by step on how you can do this. Now there are three methods I'll be showing you. If the first doesn't work for you, the second will definitely work. If the second doesn't work, the third must work. So come with me while I take you along this tutorial and show you step by step three proven ways and easy ways you can access your YouTube Studio desktop site and all of that. So let us get straight into this video. Please hit that like button, okay? Subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this. Without wasting your time, let us just get right into this video. So the first method I'll be showing you is the Chrome browser method, okay? So this works for both Android and iPhone. Now what you're going to do is just to head over to your Chrome browser. So I'm going to click on my Chrome browser, as you can see. Then I'm going to type in YouTube dashboard. Now type in YouTube dashboard in the search bar, and now you're going to put your phone on your desktop site. If you want to do that, click on the three dots by your top screen, then swipe up to desktop sites. Okay, click on desktop sites. Now it's automatically changes your phone interface to the desktop site. Now you're going to click on this first option which says YouTube dashboard. Now you click on it and it's going to take you to your YouTube Studio desktop site. Now this is going to pop up, okay? You're going to see this, try out the YouTube Studio app. Now swipe up, okay? Swipe up and click continue to Studio. Once you click continue to Studio, it takes you automatically to your YouTube Studio desktop site. So this is my YouTube Studio desktop site. As you can see, there are lots of features here that you can't access on your mobile, your YouTube app, okay? So this is my dashboard. You can see dashboard here. This one is the analytics and other features that you need as a creator, especially for new creators. Now this is the first method on how to access your YouTube Studio desktop site using your mobile phone. I'm just going to head over to show you the second method. Now the second method is through your YouTube app. Yes, you're going to click on your YouTube app. Now, and the next thing you're going to do is to click on your profile icon. Remember, I'm using my mobile phone, okay? I just put my phone on landscape. So I'm going to click on my profile icon. Now, this takes you to your home page, okay? So what you're going to do next is to click on this settings icon. Once you click on the settings icon, you're going to scroll upwards to this part that says data in YouTube, okay? Now, click on this, your data in YouTube. Now it brings you to this part. Then you're going to swipe up or scroll up rather and go over to this part where you can see your videos. Now click on this place, the number where the number of your videos are. Click on it. And this will take you automatically to your YouTube Studio desktop site. Yes, it takes you directly to your YouTube Studio desktop site. So this is my YouTube Studio desktop site. I'll just put it on the dashboard. Now this is my home dashboard. So this is another method for you to easily access your YouTube Studio desktop site. Okay, so this is the third method I'll be showing you. Now it's still through your browser. This is called the desktop access method. Okay, so you're still going to come over to your browser for those that are using Chrome for Android, then Safari for iPhone rather. So you're going to just come over here. Now you want to make sure that the email address that is here is the one that is associated with your YouTube channel. But just in case it is not it, what you're going to do is to click on this profile icon. Now it's going to take you over to this part where you're going to see order of your email addresses, okay, or the email address that is associated with your YouTube channel. Once you switch it over to that particular email address, then you can go back to the home page. Now let's go back. Once you go back now, you make sure that this part has this profile icon and is the profile icon of your YouTube channel. Now after that, I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to type in studio.youtube.com. Now once I type this in, I'm just going to click on the go icon. Now this automatically brings me again to my YouTube Studio desktop site. You can see that this is very easy. This works in all locations. This works for all type of Android phone and iPhones. I hope you found this video helpful. Please, if you did, hit that like button. Okay, subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this, and I'll be seeing you in one of the videos right now on your screen. Like this video and bye.